This flyer, social media flyer design, was created by InspiredDZN. InspiredDZN on IG. You can check him out. I'm going to show you how to recreate this with your smartphone in a very few short minutes. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let me show you something you need to do first. All right. So see what I want to show you now. All right. So let me show you the size. You can use Instagram size, or you can use this particular site on your screen. All right. Cool. So let me show you this now. Get a shape like this. I see that now. Then rotate it. All right, just rotate it like this. If your hands can't get it correctly, then just go and use this guy. Okay, then you bring it here like this. All right, so I want to still rotate it a little more like this. Then this guy, just copy this, bring it here, then bring this one to the front. Then just get it. What's it called? Click and get the color from here. All right, so it's not a total black, it's a blue color actually. And this particular one here, it has two colors gradient. Just select one of these, then come here, select this one for the dark part, which is this part here, bido blue. Then for this part you can select let's say this, right? Then move this to here and move this here. So that means you have something like this. If it's not clear, move it like this so that you can see it very well. Still move it. Okay, there's a challenge because you have to move this one here, you have to move this one here. So move it like this. All right, so that's that. After you're done with that, you want to bring in this guy here. All right, so I have this guy. I'm going to bring it here like this, increase it more, put it there like this. All right, I'm going to send it to the back. Okay, then I'm going to bring in these images. This one. All right, I'll just drag it like this. I'll put it there. Okay, still drag it like this. Then send to the back. Send this one also to the back. So we have something like this, right? Right, so I still want to reduce this. Okay, so let me put this one here like this. Let's see if we can just increase it. Then take it to the top. So we have something like this. All right, cool. Then the next thing we want to do now is let's bring in this logo. Let's bring in this logo. All right. I want the logo to be just the way it is, so I'm going to get something that will make it like. So I'm going to get this guy. All right, do it to like this video and share with a friend. Please do that while you are watching. Like the video. All right, just go and like this video. Okay, so I'm going to bring this here. Okay, something like this. Then I'm going to still copy it. Right, also going to put around this part here. All right, then I'll still copy it and I'll still put around somewhere here, but this one I'm going to kind of maybe reduce it a little. All right, then send it to the back. Then this one send it to the back. Then I'll still copy and I'll bring some here. So I'll just stretch that like this, like this, like this. Sorry, now move it somewhere here. All right, like that, somewhere like that. Okay, then I'll send this guy to the back. All right, so if you do that, you're going to have something like this. All right, then I'm going to bring in the logo to the front. Please like this video and share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. All right, then I'm going to kind of increase this a little. All right, then we are going to now get some stuff. So we have, thank God it's Friday, So come over here, and just type "Thank God it's Friday." Thank God it's Friday. So basically, that is just it. Then I'm going to break it into two lines like this, and come over here, and I will select. I think I would like to use Mott Serrant for this. All right, let's use this. All right, then change the color to white. Come on, change the color to white. I would have preferred something. Okay, I would have preferred this. Let's try this. Okay, and then move this here. No, so it's basically, yeah, it's going to be white. All right, then this part of it, is going to be gray, just small like this inside. All right, if you do that, you can supposed to have something like this. The gray is not so much, so let's push it in a little. So if you do that, it's supposed to have something like this. All right, then you're going to come over here now. You're going to close this space up. All right, then bring it out again, just small, and push it there. Then rotate it. Do it to like the video. Just rotate it small, increase it. Then you're going to put it here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to copy one of these and use it for something now. All right. I'll come here. I'll select this color. Then I'm going to kind of close it up a little. I'll put it there, but I'll reduce the opacity like this. All right, so that's that. Then we want to get this other word that says here, from work. I think it says from work made to play. Sorry, for work mode, not made. From work mode to play mode. Then you put we've got you covered. Okay, so basically that's going to be there. Just reduce the font. Please like this video and share it with a friend, somebody that wants to learn graphic design with their smartphone. This is the best channel that you can learn graphic design for free. You're not going to be paying any money. All you need is just feel your time to commit. All right, then you need data subscription. That's all you need to be here. And you're going to be learning as if you are paying. You're going to be learning as if you are paying. You have paid me a very huge amount of money. All right, that's how you're going to be learning. All right, so just the way you support this channel is to like the video. All right, not just that, I'll tell you another way you can use to support this channel. So if you want to support my channel, this is what you need to do. If you want to support my YouTube channel, just make sure you are subscribed, number one. The number two, make sure you go to the links here, all right, and you will see show love. Okay, you can buy my course. That's also another way to support. You can also click on where we have buy me a coffee. You can click here and it will take you to where you can sow a seed to support this channel. It could be any amount of money. Just come right there, put the amount, choose your currency, whether it's in USD or whatever it is. Put the amount here. All right, put the amount there, and then type your name here. All right, type your name here and then go ahead and send your money. All right, thank you so much for doing that. So that is one way you can support this channel. Another way you can support this channel is go to the particular video that you're watching. All right, so let's say you are watching this particular video. Click on it like this. When you click on the video, you're going to see.
So I just MailChimp my marketing.
MailChimp your what?
I MailChimp my marketing with AI.
Instead of always saying thanks, you can actually do thanks in another way. You can come here You can click on thanks, super thanks, and send me any amount of your choice. Okay, so you can say, okay, I want to send you more. All right, I want to increase the money to 100k, to 15k, to 40k, to what's a 5k. You can send me any amount, and you click send. Once you click send like this, you're going to take it to your Google, and then it will be processed. So that is just it. Very, very easy. That is one of the ways you can support the channel. Thank you. All right, so let's go back to the tutorial. So back to the tutorial. After you put the shop it now, we want to go and get this guy here. So I already have this shape, right? Quality gadget, I already have it. So I'm going to drop a link in the description where you can just download it and use. All right, I'll drop a link in the description where you can download and use. So basically this is going to be somewhere around this place, quite big. So let's reduce it small. So let's put it here. All right, this guy is too big. Let's reduce it. Right, then let's move all these guys here. Okay, then for this, where is it? Let's move this one here. All right, then let's still move this. All right, so that we can put this one here. So after that, we can come here, we can click on this shape. All right, you can select this, bring it here a little, move the shadow, so we can adjust the shadow now, move it here a little, then make it bigger a little more, still adjust it, still move it. All right, then we still need to. All right, so that's that. Then after that, we want to go ahead and fix in all this other information here. We buy. So all we need to do is to come here, click here, and type we buy, we sell, we swap. So we buy, which is the first one. We're going to put it in a shape. So let's come over here, click shape. So let's know what we are doing. So I'm going to reduce it here like this. I'm going to select the shape. I'm going to increase it. Let's say, okay, 17. So come here, you are going to do 17 to here. Then for the padding top, we can do 7. For this, we can do, okay, let's say 8. All right, so all we need to do is to make this bold and reduce it a little more and centralize them, position them very well. So we can put this one here like this. All right, then we can copy it now and fix the other ones. So that one says we buy, this one says we sell, and the last one says we swap. So for this we sell, it's going to be, the color is going to change. So I'm going to change the color to, let's say, yellow. So if we change it to yellow, it's cool. Then we can come here and adjust it properly. Okay, so we can copy, and for this we can put we sell. So for this one, we can change the color to orange. All right, okay, it's an orange color. So the text on it should be white so that I can come out very well. Then we can now adjust it. So adjust it. All right, so after that, there is still something we need to put there. So I'm going to adjust this one in a way that the space will be sufficient. So I'm going to push this one here, I'm going to push this one here. All right, so I'm going to copy this, I'm going to put the address there. So the address is going to be, so this is going to be the address. We just put it there, very, very small. Okay, all right, so then we put the phone number. So we have phone numbers here with the WhatsApp icon and everything, but I'm just going to put the phone number because of the time. All right, so just type something here, mustn't be the real phone number. So let's put, you know, the reason why you have to put this +234, which is Nigeria country code for calling. So for your own country, I don't know what it is, but if you want international clients to be able to call you, all right, you need to put that country code. If not, they will not be able to reach out to you. So let's say you're advertising your business online, you're making a post or something like that. You want to put that number so that people can call you, all right, even if they are in other parts of the country. So maybe they're in Ghana, they're in anywhere they are, they'll be able to reach out to you. Same applies to your WhatsApp. So sometimes you need to put down your country code so that it's easy for people to just click and reach out to you. So that is just it. My name is Lee Amuda. All right, so there's basically something that's going to be here, which is going to be more like the social media handle of this particular company that they are designing for. So this is, let's say, Malik. Okay, okay, Malik. That is the person who created it. All right, so that is it. So this is basically it. Straight to the point, no bluffing here and there. All right, so I'm going to save the design right now. Do well to like this video and share with a friend. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. All right, I create tutorials like this around graphic design and WhatsApp marketing, and apps that will actually make you a better with your smartphone. You can see them here. All right, you can see all my tutorials. So please do it to like this video, do it to share, do it to subscribe to my other YouTube channel where I share some other very useful content that you will find very interesting. More videos are going to be added very soon. All right, please like and subscribe, and please let me know where you are watching from. Right, I'd like to know where you're watching from. So this design has been saved now, and then you can add on to.
So this app is called Snapseed. It's a free app available on Google. In fact, it was produced by Google. All right, so this app is free. Once you are here, you want to click on tools, you want to click on details, and you want to go to sharpening structure. This short structure, and this is, look at the effect of this structure. Are you seeing that? Then you want to go to sharpening and you do this. All right, and then you save. Then if you want to work on the looks, you can click on pop. It brings out the beauty more. Are you seeing that now? Are you seeing the before? This is the after. It brings out the color very, very much. All right, if you like, you can come over to where we have tools, tune image. All right, you can scroll down to one and you can do this if you like, as you can see. All right, so you edit it to your taste, and then when you are done, click export and click on save, and the image is going to be saved to your phone immediately. My name is Niyamuda. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, tell me where you're watching from and what you learned from this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.